Welcome everyone. So in this session we are going to create this 3D model in AutoCAD. So now we are in 3D workspace. So you are seeing this model. So this one is an unit metric. So we need to set our unit first. So type the shortcut UN and then press enter. So we need up to 2 decimal point and then change the insertion scale from inches to millimeters and then click OK. So now I'm starting from this circle over here. It is having radius 25 and then I need to extrude it to total distance of 80. So coming over here, circle, center radius. So selecting here and then giving the radius as 25, enter. So now I've created the object. So I'm just moving it a little bit away from the origin like this. So now I need to do extrusion. So total extrusion height is 80. So come over here. So click on extrude and then select the circle and then press enter. So now hold shift and scroll at the same time. Then you can rotate your screen like this. So then give the distance as 80. So extrusion completed. So if you want to see this in 3D wireframe 3D, then you can click on this and then change it to shaded or shaded with edges. Fine. So now I want to make this portion over here. So for that I need to go to that particular view. So clicking on this, now it is an unsaved view. So go to top. So previously we have created our sketch in top view only. So now I'm just going to either right or left. So now I need to create this. So for creating that, so you can just convert this to 2D wireframe. So it is starting from top only. So you can start from that itself. So we need to create this circle at a distance of from here to here 37. So click on line. So go nearer to it. So it is off, that is the snap is off. So that's why it's not showing anything. So make this snap on. So now if you go nearer to that, it will show you the midpoint and then exactly horizontal line. So 37 is your distance. So give 37 and then enter. So then come down. So this is 40. That means the center will locate it at 20 mm. So come down and then give 20, enter. So now on this center we need to create a circle. So that is having diameter 20. So click on this, click over here, give 20, create it. And one more thing we need to make it, it is having same circle but diameter is 40. So it will touch on top, fine. So click on this line. So then select this bottom, then create a straight line like this. So then you can connect up to this center point, but always after creating this, just hold shift and rotate it like this. Okay. So now the sketch is created, but it is located over here, but we need our sketch on this point. So click on this and you can get the center over here. So now you can trim the object, TR, double time enter, trim it off. So now we need to join all this portion. I think we don't need this line now, so delete it. So for joining J, enter, select this one and this one, enter. So one converted into a single polyline. So select both, press M, that is move, enter, click on the object and move and place it on the center. So now I think we don't need this line anymore. So from center it is having a total width of 26, so create the total width now itself. So go to extrude, so 26 first, this side we need to make 13, and then go to press pull, rotate, and then select this face and make 13. So now if you see in a 3D shaded with edges, one side it will be hollow, one side it will be having that. So once again go to press pull, select that face and go inside of it, so it will become hollow like this. So now make this into single solid by union. So click on union and select both together and then press enter. So now it created as a single. So now we can make this hole, this slot and all later. So we will create this portion over here. Same thing, it has to be on right view but on the other side. So click on this, change this to 2D to wireframe. So this is lying a distance of total 45 plus 12, that is nothing but 57. So you can start from bottom or you can start from top also, no issues. So select this end point and give the distance of 57, enter. So now this is having a dia 40, that means the center will be locating at a distance of 20. Fine. So just rotate a little bit. So same thing, this is also forming on edge. So now itself I'm just moving it, enter, selecting an endpoint exactly on that direction, and this has to come center, means the displacement would be 25 because this dia is radius is 25, that means from end to the center it will be 25. So once again go to the same right view. So now click on this center point, make 2 circle or make 1, we can make both together itself. So one is having dia 40, so click once again, same center, another one is having a dia 25 created. So now exactly on the top we need to join by using a line. So it comes up to the center, you can come over here, so it will snap and then join it like this, press escape. So now we don't need this line anymore, so we need to trim this portion. So TR, double enter, so trim it off. So now we need to join, so J, enter, select this one and this one, enter. So this has been created, but if you see over here, this line has to become straight, so that was some problem. So we have to rotate and see whether it is created fine or not. So now join it again, so this one, enter, created. So now if you see, the center portion is having width different and this is having width different. So once again what I'm doing, I'm going to same center point and I'm creating one more circle over there. So then I'm doing extrusion of this part, or we can do extrusion after creating this triangle. So go to same right view, so it is coming from top and it has to come up to 12 mm from here. So you can do one thing, you can just make a line straight and then go to offset O, enter, then give 12, enter, from here to here. Now click on this line, select here exactly on this intersection and then go up to center, because if you create a triangle in a circular periphery it won't touch properly, so that's why just create up to end. center like this. So still we have some problem. So this is not corrected properly, and so exploded, I think some changes happen. So join it here itself from that point to this point, and this one also has to come straight up to here and then join it like this. So now we need to join this. So J, enter, select this portion, enter, once again join. So we need to create this triangular shape, a trapezoidal shape, this one over, this one over, and this one over. So only thing is we need to do the extrusion part. So one by one you can give. So first I am creating this outer that is having an extrusion of 40. So we can give only one side extrusion, that is 20 over here, and then you can go to press pull, rotate it, select the okay, showing error. So we can extrude full length 40 and then select the object, M, enter, click over here along that direction, move it to 20. Then automatically it will be on center. So same thing, click on extrude this inside portion, enter. So total distance you can give 20, enter, and then select the object, move, enter, any endpoint along that direction. So 20 by 2, that is 10, half. So now it is fine, and this one is 10, so 5. So total, enter, 10, and then select, move, enter, endpoint along z direction, 5. So now you can go to shaded with edges or shaded. So now we need to create, I think before that we can make that hole, because in this way we can't see it, it is inside. So make the hole move outside of 20 mm, so then only it will come on top surface of that cylinder. So now from here you can go press pull, click on that, inside. It will form you a solid, so later we can subtract it. Before that we need to add all those things. So click on union, select this one with this one, enter. So now subtract this with this one, click on subtract, select the main solid, enter, then the subtracting solid, enter. So automatically it will make you a hole like this. So now we need to make the top. So click on once again top. So now we need to make the cut. So change this to 2D wireframe. So we need to make a circle having radius 15 on that same center. Click on here, or just create a line. So then you can get the center. So now click on the center and make 15. Now delete this line. So now we need to make this over here. So I'm just creating lines exactly on that quadrant straight up to after the solid over. So now I just make offset of 3 mm over here and 3 mm over here. So now you can join this endpoint by using a line, and now you can delete the center, we don't require that. So then extend it EX, double time enter up to here, then hold shift to trim the middle portion. So now also use same join command, J enter, select this one and this line, enter. So now it converted to a polyline. So even if it is in below or top, no problem, anyhow we are going to make a cut. So you can click on extrude, select it, enter, make it little bit above than the previous solid. So now go to 3D, so we need to subtract it. So click on subtract, select the main, enter, then the subtracting solid, enter. So automatically it makes a cut like this. So we have created the 3D model exactly how it is looking in this drawing. So if you have any doubts, comment below. So subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.